And now let's get back to our top story. In just the last hour, state health officials provided an update on the coronavirus here in Indiana. Their main concern was the need for vaccinations as the state sees an increase in cases of the variants. CBS 4's Kristen Eskow was at that press conference. She joins us now with more on what was said. Good afternoon to you.
Well, good afternoon, Jessica. This was the state's first COVID-19 briefing in 2 months. Now, the good news here today is that deaths remain at their lowest levels during the pandemic, but COVID cases and hospitalizations are going back up. Officials say that increase is only going to continue, and they're blaming the Delta variant. So state officials here today told us the positivity rate has risen to 3.2% from a pandemic low of 2.1%. They also say there are at least 4 long-term care facilities in the state with outbreaks among not vaccinated and partially vaccinated people. Now, officials say right now 2.9 million Hoosiers are fully vaccinated. That's just under half the eligible population aged 12 and up. And as proof the vaccine works, there were only about 2,700 breakthrough cases of COVID up to this point, but vaccinations are lagging, particularly among younger people. They say they're working to bring the vaccine to more communities. They're bringing mobile clinics to county fairs and other places this summer. Now, State Health Commissioner Dr. Christina Bach says she's disappointed in the state's vaccination rate so far and believes full approval of the vaccines from the FDA would be a big help.
Right now, I think that one of the barriers for people is that it's still under an emergency use authorization. And we hear regularly on our meetings with the CDC and the White House that really the FDA needs to move. And if they have enough data, which this is by far the most studied vaccine in the history of the world, basically also for all the adverse effects, it's been studied the most. So if we can get the FDA to move to officially approve this and license this, then I think that will help us with some people.
Now, I asked health officials if there are any plans for new restrictions. They said no. But as for masks, Dr. Bach says people don't need to wear a mask indoors if they're fully vaccinated and healthy. But if they're not fully vaccinated, or even if they are but are in a higher risk population for complications, she recommends mask wearing in indoor public spaces. Now, the state is not mandating masks in schools. Local districts are going to have to decide if they want to do that. State health officials here today told us that decision should be based on the amount of virus in their communities. For now, we're live outside the State House this afternoon. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
A lot of new information there, Kristen. Thank you for that.